Rwan, os ydych chi fel fi yn gwylio'r hyn raglen dyledu na ers talwm, dyma'r rhan lle dwi'n gofyn, who lives in a house like this? Wel, pan welwch chi beth gennau fan hyn, dwi'n meddwl newch chi gymryd yn hir iawn i ddyfalu. Well, Chris, congratulations, 500 Cymru Premier appearances. When you were starting out, I wonder, is that something that you envisaged happening?
Obviously arrived in the league at quite an early age, 18, so obviously I suppose the opportunity was there if I could stay fit and carry on playing, but no, I never looked kind of further than the next game and the next season, really. When
you look back, what would you say are some of your highlights? I mean, I guess some of them are obvious, aren't they?
Cup wins, main highlights, I suppose. Yeah, I won the League Cup with Caersws in Aberystwyth against Rill on a penalty shootout. That was great. And then obviously I've had the Welsh Cup wins with Llanelli firstly, and then obviously with Bala as well. So you know, they were huge. Winning anything as a team is always great. It's the best feeling.
You mentioned the Welsh Cup with Llanelli, and when you look back at that team, that was a really strong unit, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really was. I arrived there in 2009, and it was probably the first squad I played in the Welsh Premier that was like more like kind of a football league type environment. It was a kind of a step up really in like professionalism as well. This is somewhere that I wanted to be, and I learned so much then from playing with those players in that squad, and it definitely sort of changed me for the future years. Once I'd left there, definitely I just saw football in a different way after having played there with them.
And then, of course, Aberystwyth as well, another huge club in your career.
Yeah, obviously I've spent 2 spells there. One in 2009 where we had a really good season. Ended up in the Welsh Cup final and sadly losing. Obviously the second spell then when I came back from Llanelli was one of the best periods that I'd had in terms of how well I was playing, I think, then, as I was a bit older, you know, so, yeah.
Now, I'll be honest with you, if you're going to have a shelf in a house, these are the kind of things you want on display, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely. Obviously the golden boots are the main ones for me, but yeah, a lot of fantastic memories.
Can I ask, was there ever any desire or aspirations to go and play full-time?
Had I been given the chance towards the middle of my career, I suppose, then it's something I probably would have taken. But I think when the Golden Boots and Player of the Years and things like that came, obviously in my late 20s, it probably wasn't a proposition maybe for Football League clubs at that age, perhaps. So
there are a few other treasures on display here. Can we have a look?
Yeah, a few more things hidden away. What have we got? Yeah, obviously Wales Sea caps, which I've got a few of now. This one's obviously from 2018-19 season.
Tell me about Bala, because they've obviously played such a huge part in these latter years for you, haven't they? Yeah,
absolutely. Obviously 6 seasons now with Bala, so I've played more games now for Bala than any other club in the league. And yeah, it's been a great period, a really great period. Obviously, I moved there from Aberystwyth, having a lot of personal sort of glory, if that's the right word for describing it. But yeah, I've gone to Bala and obviously won the Welsh Cup in our first season. I was made captain partway through the season as well, which is something that I've been extremely proud of. I'll look back extremely fondly. I'm sure when I finish playing on my time there, definitely.
You mentioned there looking back. Is that something that you're thinking about? Are you nearing that point?
As long as I can, I'll just keep going as I am. I'm not thinking about after football or anything like that. I know that it won't be too many seasons probably before I stop at probably Welsh Premier League level, but at the same time at the moment I'm enjoying it so much and I feel like I've got a lot to give.
When the time comes, how will you look back on it all, and also how would you like Cymru Premier fans to remember you?
I look back on it fondly, definitely. I've loved every minute of it. So and I've obviously got quite a few reminders, have you seen, of good times on a personal note, but how I would want fans to see me, I don't know. Happy, I think, because a lot of time on the pitch I'm not always that happy. But yeah, no, I'm certainly trying to take it now, each game as it comes, make sure I enjoy it. It's not always easy, but that's what I'm trying to do.